LATOKEN Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. In this video, I'll give you a straight-to-the-point review of LATOKEN, a crypto exchange that's gained attention for offering a wide range of tokens, including lesser-known altcoins. If you're searching for a platform to access early-stage projects or trade low-cap tokens that aren't available on major exchanges like Binance or Coinbase, LATOKEN might have caught your eye. But let me share my experience using this platform, the good, the bad, and whether it's worth your time. Starting with features, LATOKEN supports a vast number of cryptocurrencies, over 1,000 tokens across various trading pairs. It also allows IEOs, initial exchange offerings, giving users access to early crypto projects. One of its standout features is its multi-chain support, meaning you can trade tokens on different blockchains like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon, all from one platform. The interface is clean, and it offers both a web and mobile version for convenient trading on the go. Now let's talk about usability. Setting up an account is relatively straightforward, but LATOKEN does require KYC verification for most of its features. The deposit process was quick for me, and I appreciated that it accepts both crypto and fiat deposits. However, I did notice that the withdrawal fees can be higher compared to other platforms, especially for certain tokens. So if you're planning to withdraw frequently, this is something to keep in mind. Another key point is security. LATOKEN claims to prioritize security with two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold wallet storage for funds. I didn't experience any major issues with security during my time on the platform, but keep in mind that LATOKEN isn't as heavily regulated as some top-tier exchanges. It's a good idea to enable all security features available. What about trading experience? The exchange offers spot trading, margin trading, and futures contracts, but it's mainly geared toward retail investors looking to trade small-cap altcoins. Liquidity can be an issue for some pairs, especially the less popular tokens. During my usage, I noticed that trading volumes were inconsistent. You might see low liquidity on certain pairs, which can impact your ability to execute trades quickly. Now let's address the downsides. The user interface, while clean, could feel clunky for advanced traders. And the customer support? Honestly, it's hit or miss. There's a support chat, but responses can be slow. Another concern is project vetting. LATOKEN lists a lot of tokens, but not all of them are thoroughly vetted. You need to do your own research to avoid investing in projects with questionable credibility. So, is LATOKEN worth using? If you're someone looking to access early-stage crypto projects or trade altcoins that aren't available on major exchanges, LATOKEN has value. But if you prioritize high liquidity, low fees, and top-tier security, you might find better options elsewhere. For me, LATOKEN is a niche platform. It's great if you know exactly what you're looking for, but it's not the best all-around exchange for general trading.